Alright, looking at the windshield, I'd say it's about a 53. It's a Ford F750 truck. Notice the one-piece curved windshield, that's why I'm saying 53. Big job. Siren there. This is a pumper truck. Long since decommissioned. Plenty of gauges, let you know what's going on. It's an American LaFrance pumper. Yeah, American LaFrance Corporation, Elmira, New York. I think that the old Pierce Arrow engines were taken over by American LaFrance for use in the fire trucks. And I guess hoses would be stored in there. Step here on the fender. These are mammoth wheels. $900 by $20. And there's where the water either, I would assume, goes out or comes in, one or the other. Because this would rely on a hydrant for water, or else a tanker truck carried water. It's a little rough condition, but at least it has survived. So I just figure it's over 60 years old, coming up on 60 years of age.